Alright, so we are reviewing the ULTRALOQ bolt. This is the lock from the inside. This is the sensor that you need to install so that when you close the door, it will auto lock for you. So let's give it a try. I'm going to open the door now and get out. See, it's auto locking for you. So now you can open it with your fingerprint and or your code. You punch in your code. So I'm going to show you how you can set that up on your app here on the phone. So first off, let's use the fingerprint. So I'm going to open it with my fingerprint, or you can also open it with the key. They do provide a backup key just in case you ever need to unlock it with the key. So first I'm going to use my fingerprint here. It's opening. So then you can just, hey Pico, close the door behind you and see it's gonna auto lock immediately, right? So you can just leave the door there. So going on the other side of the door, so I decided to buy two of these ULTRALOQ. So here's the garage part, same thing. So you can see this has the sensor installed. Just screw that in. I'm going to open this. Now I'm going to get out. It's going to lock itself. Now it's locked, right? So you can never get locked out because now you have your finger to unlock it all the time, or the code. Alright, you can also auto unlock with your phone so that it sends the Bluetooth. It's locking now. If it sends the Bluetooth and then once you're near the proximity, it's gonna auto unlock for you. I don't turn it on because it's gonna drain the battery out of my phone, because that Bluetooth will always be on, right? But it has that capability. So then if I'm closing or needing the door, it's going to auto open for me. But I don't like that, so I don't turn it on. So now, say we have a front door and we have the back door there, right? I'm going to go to my front door, which is this one. This is the front door. And add a user. So I'm going to add, actually I'm going to go back here. I'm going to add a user. And I'm going to add a guest. Okay, I'm going to add a guest here. User type normal user. Okay, I'm gonna next, and then I'm gonna add the, I don't want the fingerprint, I just want to add the code for the guest. So the code is, let's say, what do you want it? 4567. Okay, 4567. I'm gonna use the code and save that code. Okay, so now we have a guest code. I'm gonna, no, we don't need to invite them using the app. So just the code. I'm going to skip here. And that's it. So we have a new guest. We did not add the fingerprint. We did not give the app access. So basically we just give the code, the 4-digit code to the guest, whoever that guest is. And then when you're done, you can deactivate the guest or just delete the guest. See, this shows it's a pin only. So let's try it. 4567, right? Okay, now the guests come, so they have to press the ULTRALOQ here, and then 4567, and press this again. See, it opens. All right. So now I can also see the log. Okay, so you can go to this front page or front screen. Tap on the front door and you see log there at the bottom. I'm gonna hit log. So you can see guest just opened the door. So you remember the pin is 4567, but you can mask the pin, meaning you can put the number in between. So just for example, say you're the owner of the house and somebody's behind you. You have somebody, your friends or something, so you want to punch in the code, but you don't want your friend to know what the code is. So you can put stuff in between the actual pin. So I'm going to put some random stuff here, right? And then my actual pin, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then some random stuff again, and then it still opens because 4, 5, 6, 7 is still inside the pin that I punched in. Really cool feature for the pin. Alright, that's basically it. I really recommend the ULTRALOQ bolt. I have the front door, back door, and it's also good if you have other doors you want to secure with fingers, app on the phone, and punching code.